Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tara with Mayhem Crafty Cards, and today I have a collective haul for you. So I got a very small purchase from Joann's. They were having a sale on, I believe, their stamp pads, or all their stamping, paper crafting, stuff like that. So I picked up these stamp blocks from Hero Arts. And I needed this one because I didn't have one heavy enough to lay on my stuff to dry. So I got a bigger, and I wish I had the measurements. I tossed the packaging out. So I got these ones as well. Let me move this so there's no glare. I also picked up 2 sets of their brushes because they were like $5. So you have the bigger and the smaller head. So that was it for Joann's. Like I said, it was a super small, tiny haul. So then I have, I did pick up the April 2022 kit from Simon Says Stamp. Now I've already taken everything out of its packaging, just so you guys could see. And I did get one extra. Let me pull this all out so it's not super loud. And I saved these boxes. These are like my little splat boxes. So I have a couple, so when they're when they get really filthy, I end up changing them out. So I'm just gonna go straight to what my extra was. So I picked these up. These are the sheets, the sticky sheets from My Sweet Petunia. And I wanted to try the Brutus Monroe sheets, but again, I don't know. It just seems like super sticky, so I wanted to give these a try first. So you get 3, and they have 3 different grid patterns on them, which is nice. And of course, they're, you know, sticky. I did peel it back just a little bit on the one and kind of like test it out. So it's sticky, but it's not going to rip your cardstock. So that was my extra that I got with this box. And I paid for, you know, everything that I have, I paid for. So next there is, let me pull out the sheet so I get everything right. This is the flannel ink cube holder. And I think they have another one in blue too. And I still want to get the ones from the ink stand, but this one, because I don't have that much space, so it's nice to have something that's, you know, a little bit flexible that I can just kind of put away. And it came in this little mesh bag. So then we also got 4 of the mini ink cubes of the Positively Saturated inks. So you have Citrine, Ocean, Rose, and Lucky, and I did stamp those out. And I think I'm going to get a big pad of the Ocean and the Citrine. I really like those 2 colors. So then, of course, you have your stamp set, and this is the brushed floral, and I already cut the tops off all my packaging. Makes it easier to get in and out. So you have all these like floral and green images, and then you have some nice sentiments. So then we also have 6 sheets of the Prima Marketing double-sided paper. So I'm just gonna flip through these real quick. I'm not a big, I don't know, like I'm very picky with my pattern paper, because if not, then I'll have tons of it and it will just sit. So those are the 6 sheets. You also get a metallic envelope, and this one is dull pink. And of course, you're $5 off, which is good until the 30th of May. So then you get the dull pink cardstock, and I do like Simon's cardstock. And then you get black, and then you get the, oh my gosh, the 110-pound Nina. So that was it for Simon Says Stamp. Now, I don't know if you guys, oh, I'm sorry. And then we also have the clear, fine detail clear embossing powder, and then one of the brushes, little mini brushes. So if you follow me on social media, I'm very active on my Instagram, and I try to be active on my YouTube. Like, I just got back from Creativation maybe 2 weeks ago, and I'm still recovering from Creativation. Totally fun. Can't wait, because they're coming to Ohio next year, which is nice because it will only be about 2 hours away from me. So I'll be able to go home and rest and all the fun stuff. But I have been really enjoying honeybee stamps lately. So the next order I have is from Honeybee. So So I finally picked up the Intense Black ink and then the little refill. And I like how the refill's packaged. Like, it's sealed in the bag, and then you can store it in here. Now, look, I'm not going to be able to get this open. Or, you know, I put these with, I use the Tim Holtz alcohol ink little tins, and I put all of my refills in that. So, of course, you get your little thank you card, and you can color these. I have a humongous stack of them. So my freebie were the rainbow gem stickers, and I've been wanting to try these. I don't know why I haven't ordered them yet. Probably because I have 10,000 sequins all over my all over the place. I did get 3 of their paper pads. Now I've been kind of going back and forth because, like I said, I'm very particular with my paper pads. So the first one I got was the Funfetti Birthday, and I'm just going to do a quick flip through. They're double-sided. You get two sheets of each, so you get 24 sheets. So, I mean, I like that there's a variety in this where it could be masculine, it could be feminine. I mean, little kids. I like the honeybee, or the honeycomb. And then the ombres, I do like those too. So then, yeah, that's the beginning. Okay, so that was Funfetti Birthday. I also got Summer Stems, and I really like this one, and I'll tell you why here in a minute. So again, it's the 24 sheets, double-sided. This is probably one of my favorite patterns. And then you get the ombre too. I really like those ombre sheets because you can do just about anything with them. And then the watercolor background. So that one was Summer Stems. And then of course I had to get the beach theme one. So this is Beach Vibes. And I've already used these. I mean, you can, I use them on a card. I'm going to show you guys here in a second. So this is Beach Waves, and I really like this one. It has a really good color palette. So you don't necessarily have to use it. I like this for, you know, beach themed cards. You can use it for just about anything. And again, it's 24 sheets, double-sided, and you get 2 of each. So we're back at the beginning. So I also picked up this score tape, these score tape sheets. I like these. They have them on sale, and you just get a pack of, is it 5? Yeah, 5 6x6 sheets. So I use these. I like to use these for die cuts. So I finally got the Lovely Layers sets. So I got the, oh gosh, I'm not going to be an anemone. So I got that one, and you can see I've already been playing with them. And then I got the tulips, the Lovely Layer tulips. So I did get the Lovely Layer tulips, and I've already made a card. And how I did it was, so this is the stamps, or this is the die set. And because I've used it, I have them all over the place. And I will put these on magnetic sheets, but I do like how you have the kind of outline of it. So this is the card I made, and this is just the front. I need to actually put it on a base. Sometimes I wait just because I don't know if I want to do a landscape or a portrait. So I used the Lovely Layer tulips, and then I used the, which one was it? The Summer Stems double-sided paper pad. And you can see, don't mind that, I got some ink on that, but there is a pattern here on the back. So what I did for that was, I didn't really want to I really want to play with it, so I didn't want to pull out all my stuff to color. So what I did was I grabbed some of my watercolor paper, and I just ink blended abandoned coral, saltwater taffy, mustard seed, modelon, twisted citron, and this is, again, the mustard seed. And just cut them out of there and kind of just added little bits here and there. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I do post a lot more on Instagram. It's been nice because the Honeybee has been reposting some of my projects, which to me is exciting. So stay tuned for more stuff. I am working on a live. I am on the Artistry Term 5 design team, and there's so many great products in this in their release on May 1st. I did post something on Instagram just the other day using their sublimation ink pads and the cosmetic bag blank. So stay tuned for that. I'm working on the live. I'm still working on making sure everybody's getting their stuff for their giveaway. There has been some delay. I'm not, you know, really sure why. I'm not gonna, anyways, be patient. It's coming. So yeah, until next time, guys. Bye.